Hi everyone, New England Gardening here. Today's May 1st, 2022, and got a log jam here. Bees are really bringing in pollen today. It's currently 63 degrees and it's going to get up to 67. It's about 20 past 12, and I just noticed the bees pulling out some debris on the bottom there. But let's see. Focusing on that. What do I have in there? Oh, I made a pollen patty up. Maybe that's the paper from the pollen patty. Had some wax paper. I was curious to see if they were interested in that pollen patty I made. I would buy the pollen patties from like Man Lake and just weren't interested in them. But yeah, this is an 8 frame. I converted from a 10, and I thought I had another box, but I don't. So I got a medium on the top and a deep. I want to reverse these and go in and take a look inside, see if I have any swarm cells. I see the extent of drones. I haven't seen any drones yet. But yeah, I just noticed huge log jam, huge amount of activity. And a small opening I have up at the top there. So it's a nice day, nice sunny day. No clouds. So let me get the smoker started. So I had to get new bellows for this. So give them a little smoke. A little slow today. It just dawned on me. I have this medium box that I'm using just to hide the feeder jar. And I don't think I need that anymore. I don't think I need to be giving them syrup. So take this off. Alright everyone, so these are my numbers as of May 1st. I've got wall-to-wall bees. That might not be a good thing. Wow. And you know what? I'm not seeing a single drone. So let's take a look at what the bottom box looks like. Maybe they're all on top here. Oh, that's heavy. Let's see what we got going on here. So they're in the bottom box too. So, got some honey stores. Nothing on the outside here. Wow. There's a ton of, not a ton, there's just a big mess. It must be all the, is it newspaper? Is that from, I put some sugar down in the winter. I guess I did not clean off. I was thinking of the dead outs. I did not clean the bottom board off of this, which is a mess. So need to go in and clean that. Whoa. See what the next frame looks like. More well, it's wet. I might have some crystallized honey there. So yeah, I gotta clean off the bottom board. That doesn't look good. So they're trying to clean out that bottom, but I'm gonna help them out. Wow, what a mess. Look at that. Holy cow. That's not good. Let me clean off this bottom board away from this area. Look at that mess. Alright everyone, that was disgusting. I actually went over this with a brush, scraped it and rinsed it off. There were dead bees, blackened bees that were decaying to liquid, and there was mold growing on them. And wow, that was, if anything, that was a big benefit to have cleared that off. So I'm going to put, they seem to be going down to the bottom. I'm not going to disrupt them anymore. I still have that medium I can put on top. So yeah, that was a big plus, cleaning that off. They're really going to appreciate that. Cut down on any disease. So let me, oh, I got a bee investigating me. I just know. I don't remember how I had this, so. Oh, I can go by the frames I took out. So yeah. Alright, so I realized that I hadn't seen any brood yet. I'm like, how do I have all these bees without any brood? So there's some cap brood. And I did see the larva there. Kind of bright for me to see eggs, but see some, I don't see any queen cells, and I don't see, they're not making drones. So do I see any? I don't know if the ones I destroyed were drones. Oh, there's some right there. There's some right there. The bullet shaped. Oh, okay. They're on this side here too. A couple of queen cups here. I don't think there's anything in them. Or they could be drone cells. I don't know. Those look sort of like stunted queen cells. Okay, so yeah, I don't think I'm going to find the queen. Out of practice, and she's not marked. I wonder how big she's gotten. So if there is a drone, there's one right there, I think. Yeah, there's one drone. Maybe it looks a little fuzzy. Could be new, so drone season's just starting to pick up, I guess. So I'm just gonna put this back together. Medium on top of this. Go find some frames. And they're really confused looking for that entrance on the top there. That no longer exists. Alright, so I scrambled to find some frames. A lot of them have honey on them. But they moved right up onto them. They are all over the frames already. So it gives them some space. Gives me some time. I'll put this inner cover on. The only thing is they're looking for that hole that is now a different height. I don't know if they can make it through that one. I put the top cover on. But they're looking to get in. Hopefully they'll figure it out. Go in through the bottom. Looks like they're doing that. I don't know if I need to put an entrance reducer on that or not. They seem to be strong enough to fend for themselves. Yeah, you can see they've moved all the up to the top here. I put a screen on that. So this is New England Gardening, and this hive is really strong. It's too bright. I couldn't see eggs, but I know I have larvae, and definitely have an increase in population. So I put that extra medium on with some frames. They moved right into it. I feel bad for all these returning bees that they're expecting that hole right there, but our entrance. I thought I had a shim, I could make one up, but then you'll have comb built on the bottom of the frames if the space is too big. But yeah, maybe I'll make a frame, a spacer. But they should learn. They'll figure it out. I already have some fanning going on there. I did put an entrance reducer, but I opened up the hole. Probably don't even need that. They're probably avoiding using that bottom board because it was so dirty. So at least I accomplished that, cleaning off that bottom board, which was pretty bad. Yeah, this bee just went in with pollen, so they'll figure it out by the end of the day. So this is New England Gardening. This is May 1st. Thanks for watching.